Welcome to our channel where we share 10 tips for beginners starting yoga. First, find a quiet space to practice yoga and use a mat for comfort. Start with simple poses like mountain pose or child pose to build strength. Focus on your breathing throughout the practice to help calm the mind. Don't push yourself too hard. Listen to your body and take breaks when needed. Stay consistent with your practice to see progress and improvements over time. Explore different styles of yoga to find what suits you best. Try guided yoga videos or classes to learn proper alignment and techniques. Remember to warm up before starting your yoga session to prevent injuries. Stay hydrated and make sure to eat well to fuel your body for practice. Incorporate meditation into your practice for mental clarity and relaxation. After your session, could you take a few minutes to relax? Keep a positive mindset and enjoy the journey of exploring yoga. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more yoga tips and tutorials.